starlings. And there's a mother wanting to bring food to somebody. They're up there. Mom is in the tree. Now that I'm down here, she might go in. There she goes. Oh, well, I know exactly where they are now. They haven't been on this side of the wall. But they are on the other side of this vapor barrier. So really there's nothing I can do from this side. I have to go around to the other side and deal with them there. Ooh, Mama must have brought some food back. Yeah, they're literally right up there. And at one time, probably many years ago, they were able to actually get into the school through here, which is why this old poly was put in place.